transforming the exhibition in a hybrid environment. So these are some of the photos of what is right there now. This is a kind of library of books relating, text relating cooking to science, chemistry to cooking. They invite the major cooks to experience about this relationship between science and cooking. And so our question was how networked mobile technologies can contribute to the already emergent trends in construction of hybrid knowledge, in special to informal learning purposes. Hybrid knowledge, let's see. First, let's see what we consider are the emergent trends, okay? We think that we must take into consideration either the analogical and the electronic dimensions of knowledge in learning nowadays. We should contextualize knowledge in both spheres, either in the physical and in the network, in the digital. Not to forget the physical, the analogical dimension, and try to link and contextualize both things. We should place in the hands of users the power to make definitions, not us to place. This is the trend. The trend is placing in the hands of users the power to make definitions, associations, variations, different from those of computer-aided processes, because mobile technologies directly situate online knowledge in the physical layer of reality. So maybe our task right now is to empower this, to make it easier, even easier, to help this trend to be better. So the emerging trends, the physical world, cannot forget it, Web 2.0, new ontologies called folksonomies that are bottom-up constructions of knowledge, and networked mobile technologies. So the Internet of Things is this merging of analog and digital, and contributes to linking or making visible the electronic aura of anything, and also the electronic shadow of anything. What does it mean, the shadow? It means that you don't control what you are putting. If you want to link this glass on this table to internet by means of a QR code, in the case it was the system we used, you can try to put whatever you want, but you have to take on to consider that all contributions from the whole world will come in. So you never know what can come. It's the invisible part. So this connecting matter is based on the capillarity of the network, in open source code, systems of sharing data, and mass mobile devices. And the social network trend is that should be considered is the one that takes these new taxonomies, personal taxonomies, the personalization of knowledge construction, connectivity, interactivity, mobility, the semantic web, and the project could be situated around here, almost around a possible Web 3.0. So Internet of Things, knowledge construction, enables us to tag the information, personal collective forms of data classification, tracking data and complete data, etc. As I said before, there are many systems. We decide to use the QR code because it serves, in our opinion, it's very easy to use, it's very friendly, it's very cheap also. It serves to contextualize digital knowledge, to merge the analog and digital, to contextualize learning, to expand the concept of object, to create knowledge environments, and to transform things in knowledge doors. Knowing how to deal with the situation and this merging, it seems as if it was already an old technology. But the fact is that when you start to implement it in real life situations, you have a clear idea that although it is an old technology,